What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to send zip files on Gmail. First, open Gmail and log into your account. Once you're in, look to the top left corner and click Compose to start a new email. If you're replying to an existing email, you can skip this step and proceed directly to adding the zip file. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. Add a subject and type out the body of the email if necessary. Now, it's time to attach your zip file. Instead of attaching the zip file directly, which can be sometimes restricted due to the file size or Gmail security policies, it's better to use Google Drive. At the bottom of the email window, you will see a row of icons. Click on the Google Drive icon. It looks like a triangular logo. This allows you to insert files stored or uploaded to Google Drive. After clicking on the Google Drive icon, a new window will open up. Switch to the Upload tab and then select Browse. This lets you locate the zip file on your computer. Find the file, click on it, and then hit Open. Gmail will upload the file to your Google Drive and link it to your email. Once the upload finishes, you will see the zip file has been added as a Drive link in the email. Before sending, make sure you adjust the sharing settings so the recipient can access the file. Gmail will prompt you to do this if it's restricted. You can choose between sharing the file with specific people or allowing access to anyone with the link. For convenience, select anyone with the link can view and click Send. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.